Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to turn the notification on for more updates.
Hello everyone, this is me Mehdi Shakil and you are watching SS Tech Tutorial. So guys, today in this video I will show you that how you can install the Android Oreo 8.1 on your Raspberry Pi 3. So guys, without talking too much, let's get started. In this video, I will use Raspberry Pi 3 Model B to install Android Oreo on my Raspberry Pi. So guys, to install Android Oreo on your Raspberry Pi 3, you need to have a memory card reader or adapter and a class 10 memory card, more than 16 GB. You will find all the device link around description below, so check the description. Now first you need to flash the Android Oreo image file on your SD card. So connect your memory card with the computer. Okay guys, now open up your favorite browser and go to this website, constang.com. Then click on this device and select Raspberry Pi 3. Here you will get 2 ROM for Android. You need to download Android 8.1.0 for Android Oreo. After download is completed, go to your downloaded folder and extract the image file from the zip file. Okay, now open up your SD card formatter and format your SD card. Then open Win32 disk imager and flash the Android Oreo image file on your SD card. You will get all the download link of those software on description below, so check the description. Okay guys, now Android Oreo image file flashing is completed. Now eject your SD card from your adapter and insert it to your Raspberry Pi 3. Okay, now let's connect all the peripherals with your Raspberry Pi 3 like monitor, keyboard, mouse and power source. I am using my desktop computer monitor with Raspberry Pi 3 via the HDMI port. And for mouse and keyboard, I am gonna use this mini wireless keyboard with touchpad. This keyboard works very well as keyboard and the mouse too. You'll find the keyboard link on description below. Okay guys, now let's power up our Raspberry Pi 3 via mini USB power port. So guys, now you can see here the Raspberry Pi 3 boot screen. Now you need to set up your Android Pi with Wi-Fi connection to use the internet. Okay guys, now we are done. Here you can see the Android version. So guys, I hope you like this video. So please give a thumbs up to this video and share this video with your friend. Thanks for watching.